Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this electric Gooseneck Kettle for brewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. First thing we see is a base where we're gonna place a kettle with a touch spring and the electric cord. Then we have the glass lid with rubber all around so you cannot get burned. And the proper main kettle, okay? As you can see, it's really nice. It has an ergonomic design. And it's made out of stainless steel. Unless the instruction manuals, okay? But we're gonna test it out. First, what we are gonna do is plug it into the electrical outlet. And as we can see, we have E here, the screen with all the buttons. We can turn it on, select the temperature control with these two buttons. And we have a keep warm function that keeps the temperature at a standard of 197 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and pour water into our kettle. And as we can see, the screen will tell us the temperature that it's the water. So we're gonna wait around and see how quickly the water heats. And a feature that I think that it's really great is that the base will tell us the temperature of the water as it goes heating up, which I think it's really practical. And to test it, we're gonna prepare some coffee with our Pour Over coffee maker, okay? And as you can see, it has a really controlled pour over, which I think it's excellent. Right now, it doesn't leaving extra drops away, and as you can see, it doesn't drip out when you will stop pouring the water, okay? Which I think it's really, really nice. And just like that, we can enjoy a really nice coffee at a specific or at our desired temperature, which I think it's really, really nice. And overall, I think it's really nice and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.